Hi, my name is Stephanie and I've been coming to Dr. Joy since November. I had a birthday and my daughter gave me a gift to come and see Dr. Joy. My granddaughter had said one day as we were playing, "Grandma, you need to go to my doctor," as I was coughing. And I went, "You're right, Dea, I do need to go see your doctor." So it's been a wonderful experience for over 3 months now. When I came, I was coughing so much. I was in a lot of pain. I had to hold my side. I was occasionally coughing some blood because it was so hard. And now the pain is gone. Dr. Joy, through her tinctures, her lymphatic massage, her acupuncture, has changed me, and I thank her so much for that. I'm looking forward to continuing and on my way to excellent health.